What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Akil, a blast from the past. Welcome to Shoe Care Academy. Today we're going to be cleaning up these Cactus Jack 270 Reacts. I'm going to be honest, when these shoes first started showing up on the internet, I wasn't a big fan. You know, just the earth tones, the overall style of it, I wasn't really feeling the shoe. Once they came in and Pops asked me to rock these for a cleaning video, as soon as I put them on, I was like, all right, I'm feeling these. A lot of the details that they put into these, the gold midsole, it gives it like a vintage look. You got cream, brown, this kind of starfish green tongue, attachable lace lock, the Cactus Jack pull tab in the back. There's a lot of detail, and the aesthetic, it's a pretty dope shoe. For those of you that have these, there's a disclaimer that clearly states, do not put these sneakers in the washing machine. But guess what? Reshoevn8r is going to put the sneaker in the washing machine. We're gonna put these up to the challenge. We trashed these here in the mountains in Arizona, warm on a few trails, and we're gonna put them to the test with a sneaker laundry system. So let's go. Okay, for the purposes of today's cleaning video, we're gonna start out with Reshoevn8r's signature sneaker laundry cleaning kit, our laundry pods, the collapsible cleaning bowl, and then our sneaker cleaning mat. So for the first step, we're gonna remove the laces and insert the adjustable shoe trees. All right, so next we're gonna insert our adjustable shoe tree, which is gonna help assist in the clean and maintain the form of the sneaker. All right, so we got the sneaker prepped with the shoe tree. We're gonna grab a couple of squirts of our cleaning solution and begin the cleaning process. Being that there's so many different materials, there's mesh and there's nubuck, I'm gonna start with our soft brush. And then we're gonna begin the cleaning process. Solution's really starting to lather up. You can already see it's beginning to break through the dirt and grime in there. All right, so we can already see a lot of that gold antique look. Not too bad over here, but that's really starting to come off as soon as the soap and water hit it. Reason why there was a disclaimer on these shoes, but overall, we broke up a lot of the dirt and the grime in the pre-treat. So we're not gonna use the all-purpose brush. It might be a little bit too abrasive. We don't wanna damage any more of that midsole, and a lot of the stains are already broken up. So for the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the soles with our stiff brush. All right, overall, I'm feeling pretty confident about the pre-treatment of the clean here. Couple of things, again, that gold came right off, so I'm sure it's going to fade off even more in the laundry process once we put it in the washing machine. And it's a little dingy in the mesh. That's going to be penetrated as we do the laundry system as well. But I think this is going to be a really good before and after. So for the next step, we want to go ahead and get the laces clean. So we're just going to dip that right in the solution. Get those laces nice and wet. Break up the dirt and grime. All right, so the laces are all good to go. The next step we're gonna do is grab our sneaker laundry bag. Slide those right in there. Pull the drawstring bag. I like to put an extra little half knot just for added security inside of the washing machine. Pull that down. Want to get your laces inside this trusty little pouch here, which is also where the laundry pod is gonna go. All right, so let's grab our laundry pods. We got the Travis Scotts, and let's hit the washing machine. Let's go. All right, so for the final step, we're gonna go ahead and add our sneaker laundry pods. So you wanna grab one pod, and you're gonna put that in the newly designed compartment with the laces. So you're gonna open that up, slide the sneaker laundry pod in there, and then after you close the bag, just go ahead and drop that right inside of the washing machine. Close it, and you always want to make sure you're doing a cold wash on a normal cycle and cold water, and let's get started. What's up, YouTube? We're back. These Cactus jacks are dried up. And I do want to do one final step, especially with the Polar Tech fleece material there and with the suede up front, is just kind of lightly go over it with the all-purpose brush, just to give that material a little bit of life. Just after being in the washing machine and drying, this is kind of gonna just break some of the material up and give it some new life. So, and there's also some details on the sneaker as well that have a little bit of excess material on there. So a lot going on with this shoe. All right, that's gonna wrap it up. These 270s are all done. They look great. Again, I really wanna make it known, the disclaimer, this is all facts. We did lose a lot of the gold that gave it that vintage look. Personally, I think they look a lot better now than with that gold, the gold midsole. So thanks to the Reshoevn8r signature kit with our patented sneaker laundry system, which can be found at Reshoevn8r.com. We got these looking brand new. Thanks for watching Sneaker Shoe Care Academy. This is Akil. Drop a comment of whether you'd like to see me again. It's been a couple, 2-3 years since I've done a cleaning video. So I'm out. Thank you, YouTube.